Over the course of the past few years, ever since the onslaught of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Supreme Court has rapidly digitized itself. With initiatives like live streaming of court proceedings and the National Judicial Data Grid, it seems like the citizens all across the country can have access to what's happening in the Supreme Court at the click of a button. But in this very special report, India Today brings you what happens behind the scenes in the Supreme Court. How has an institution that has been in existence since the country got independence able to keep up with the changing trends and the new technologies? So come, let's show you exactly how the Supreme Court is able to function so efficiently and what exactly is the support that is provided by the people behind the scenes. So come with us. A large portion of the credit for why the Supreme Court has been able to so rapidly adapt to the changing technologies goes to the staff working behind the scenes in the library at the Supreme Court of India. This is the hub where all the magic happens, and under the leadership of the Chief Justice of India, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, the library has undertaken several futuristic initiatives to ensure that e-courts are the thing of the future. But what are these initiatives and how do these projects really work is something that we will give you an insight in today's report. So come, let's start to see exactly what is it that the library undertakes and how is it that they help on a daily basis the judges sitting in the Supreme Court decide important cases that come up before them. Beside me, you can see the BookEye 5 scanner technology, which has recently been acquired by the Supreme Court. It's the latest technology that helps the staff within the Supreme Court scan and digitize a lot of books that have been out of copyright for several years. And it's essential that these books are digitized because several of the judges during the course of the proceedings refer to books that are very, very old. And if kept in physical format, they might slowly erode. So it's important that this technology is used to ensure that these books can be digitized in a fast process. In fact, we'll show you now exactly how it's done. And over here, you can see this is a technology that can scan almost about 200 pages within 20 minutes and helps digitization of these books that have been in the library for the past several years. We are now at the information management section, which is on a real-time basis coordinating with the court staff and the library staff that is present inside the courtrooms to make sure that all the documents, books and judgments are available inside the court while the proceedings are going on. Let's show you how this really works. So first, requests are received by advocates or the court staff through email over here to the staff at the information management section. Once this request is received according to the court number and the item number, the documents are then downloaded by the staff over here and eventually uploaded to the second, we'll show you where it's uploaded. It's uploaded over here. All the books and the judgments that have been sought in the list are then uploaded over here for easy access of the judges as well as the lawyers that are arguing the matter before the Supreme Court of India. Once these documents are then uploaded, we'll show you how it becomes accessible to the judges. Over here, you can see the documents that have been uploaded at the click of a button then become accessible to the judges on a real-time basis, ensuring that there is no delay in the justice delivery process, which is a crucial aspect of the functioning of the Supreme Court. Over here, you can see that the judgments that were sought by the lawyers on a real-time basis have been made accessible by the Information Management Center at the Supreme Court. Not just this. Along with this, there have also been in-house databases that have been created to ensure that all the crucial documents, including books and judgments, are available in a digitized format for the easy access of the judges. We'll show you what that looks like. Over here, you can see all the updated laws and the acts. You have the legislative history of the act, the updated act, the bill that went on with it, and the SOR of all the central legislations all in one place for easy access of the judges. Along with that, you also have digitized Supreme Court reports. The books that were earlier being published physically have now been digitized so that all the judgments that have been passed by the Supreme Court are available in a digital format for easy access of both the judges as well as the lawyers who are part of these cases for easy reference. There's a crucial aspect that plays a key role in the functioning of the Supreme Court on a daily basis because it is due to the speed and the efficiency of the staff at the information management section, because of which the judges who are sitting in a separate building in the Supreme Court of India are able to carry on their duties on a daily basis and ensure that minimum time is wasted in the dispensation of justice. Another key piece of technology being used by the Supreme Court staff on a day-to-day basis is right here in front of us. The Radio Frequency Identification System, also known as the RFID system. How this works, let me show you. All the books here in the Judges Library are tagged with an RFID tag that you can see behind me with the Supreme Court emblem. Now what happens is that this RFID tag can be identified by this RFID machine. So in case a book is issued or rather not issued, and despite that is being taken out of the library, the censors will alert the staff. Let me show you exactly how. Now this book in our hand right now has not been issued, and let's assure you we will return it back to the Supreme Court Library, but let's show you exactly how the censors will alert the staff. If we cross these censors holding this book, then the censors will go off, alerting the staff that a book has been taken out of the library that has not been officially issued. On the contrary, if we take this book and we go back to the RFID system, then it will scan this book, it will issue it to a particular person so that they have the record of exactly who has taken which book, and let's show you exactly how that's done. This RFID system over here can scan not one, but multiple books at a time. All the books that are kept here can be scanned at the same time and can be issued to a particular person, making the process not only faster, but also more seamless and more easier. It's a technology that has been adopted by the Supreme Court Library recently and is being used on a daily basis for faster processing of the library staff and the work that they do. Amidst all this latest technology, we also came across a key piece of Indian judicial history. In front of me is a replica of the first copy of the Constitution of India. And you can see the beautiful design and the beautifully handcrafted details that are part of this Constitution of India, from the national emblem of the country to the preamble of the Constitution itself. Interestingly, what we see is in the part 3 of the Constitution that deals with fundamental rights. In this first copy of the Constitution of India, you can see a picture of Lord Ram, Sita, as well as Lakshman right above part 3, which is considered to be one of the most crucial parts of the Constitution of India because it directly deals with the fundamental rights of the citizens of India. It is important to understand that as the society evolves, so do the complexities and challenges of the legal landscape. Hence, it is crucial that not just the Supreme Court, but all courts across India adapt to these changing technologies for a multitude of reasons. Firstly, the volume of cases has significantly increased, leading to delays in the judicial process. Embracing technology can streamline these operations to a large extent. Technology also enhances transparency and accountability within the judiciary. With digital records and online access to information, the citizens can easily get information on the Supreme Court, fostering much greater trust in the justice delivery system. Latest technologies like artificial intelligence can also assist in legal research and case analysis, enabling judges to make informed decisions more rapidly. Simply put, by leveraging technology, the courts can enhance efficiency, transparency, accessibility, and overall justice delivery, ensuring that it remains relevant and effective in serving the needs of the modern society in these modern times. With Himanshu Sharma and Rishu Varma, this is Nalini Sharma in the Supreme Court of India in New Delhi for India Today.